question is this. I had a tree fall on my utility house July the 10th when the little storm came through. I called my insurance company. Okay, the lady that answered the phone told me, said, well, you get your list and write down, you know, some of the stuff that was in the utility house and estimate what you pay for it and how much it will cost you to replace it. I did this. My adjuster came out. He took pictures. He said, well, some of the stuff I can't see, you know. And I said, well, fine, you know. I got the tree cut off the house. He left, took what I had with him back to the company, but I haven't heard anything from the company. I just got a letter from them day before yesterday saying that they are still working on it, and they're going to discuss it with me. And if I'm doing anything illegal, it's punishable by law. If I did anything, why don't they call me?
Yeah.
If there's a problem, call me and explain what the problem is. I did exactly what they told me to do, and they're giving me the runaround.
Okay, Ronald, let's let Kirby take a stab at that.
You know what, Ronald, that's not an unusual situation you're facing. And sometimes those types of letters and those correspondence are designed to keep you maybe from putting down everything that you've lost in a claim like yours. I would suggest that you do this. Itemize everything that you have lost in that claim in a letter. Point out to the adjuster you're dealing with what things they have seen and what things they have not seen. And of course, you're going to need supporting documents, maybe photographs or receipts from where you purchased those things. But put all that in writing and send that to them in a letter, and you'll get a lot better response from them in writing than you will just corresponding with them over the phone.
Well, what's a reasonable time frame that he should be waiting? I mean, it seems like, you know, he's been waiting for a while, and obviously you want to get reimbursed for what you're spending and get that mess cleaned up. So what is a reasonable time frame for that?
Tiffany, your words were perfect. They have a reasonable time to adjust a claim, and that may be different depending on what kind of claim it is. Some claims obviously are much more complicated, but Alabama law does recognize this, that if an insurance company takes an inordinate amount of time or takes too long, it can be what they call a tacit denial. In other words, they've denied your claim. And in a claim like Ronald's, a first-party claim, that can be a real problem for an insurance company.
And I guess we should say that a lot of insurance companies, because of all the bad weather we have had, that it may take a little bit longer than usual. Is that right?
Sure, and that's why that reasonableness context applies, because
so many people have been affected.
Absolutely.
By bad storms.
If you're dealing with a bus accident with 50 claims, then it's going to take a lot longer to adjust that than it will an individual auto accident or maybe an individual claim like Ronald's if there's been a tornado like we had you know, last year.
All right. Well, thanks, Ronald.